What's up guys, Mike here, back with the 7.3. Anyways, figured I'd make a new video update. Got some new tail lights, some more fresh decals. I'll light them up here. And also now we have the Hydro Tuner. These are fiber optic LED tail lights. And of course we have the fender flares, full 5-inch exhaust. And I'm waiting on the emblem to come, but I did the Harley headlight conversion with the newer grill conversion, which was somewhat difficult in the sense of just trimming the bottom panel. Anyways, this video is about the fact that if you look right there, I am leaking transmission fluid. Now I have a cooler, as you can see right here, but unfortunately I have overheated the transmission and it is time for a rebuild. Sorry if you're hearing the phone alerts, but yes, transmission is done. I can't tow spitting out transmission fluid, so that's what we got to do. We got to get this thing rebuilt and move forward. But anyway guys, I'm going to document the rebuild and show you guys what I'm expecting in terms of price and in time, and see what kind of options we have on the rebuild here. So keep a lookout. Thanks for watching, but we're going to spend some money on this truck and keep her running. Alright guys, later.